So today I'm about to show you how to report a bug in Flowith.io. If you hit a technical glitch or unexpected error while building your workflows, letting the development team know helps get it fixed quickly. There are 3 direct ways to report a bug and submit your feedback. The easiest way is right inside the web platform. Look at the bottom left of your dashboard and click on the subscribe and settings button. From the pop-up menu, simply click feedback and type out your issue and send it instantly. If the bug completely locks you out, you can open up your email client instead. Draft a message explaining the glitch, attach any helpful screenshots or video clips, and send it directly to support@flowith.cc. Alternatively, you can head over to the official Flowith Discord community, where you can post technical issues inside their dedicated support channels. And that's it. That's how to report a bug in Flowith.io. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.